Good morning, students. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 6. What is the unit name? Expert Detectives. Today I am going to revise this chapter. Revision time. So, I revise this chapter's MCQ and question answer. So, see the MCQ. Here is the MCQ number 1. Maya's opinion about Mr. Nath is. What was the Maya's opinion about Mr. Nath? That he has millions of rupees. Which option A is the correct answer out of the 4 options? Number 2, the million of rupees are imagined to be hidden. The millions of rupees are imagined to be hidden. What? Where? In the trunk. B option is the correct. Number 3, the author is speaking to. The author is speaking to whom? Nishad. Whom? Nishad. Then next, here given the paragraph, see. Then the 3 MCQ. Let's see the first MCQ. Nishad could not believe Mr. Nath to be. Here given the criminals can look quite ordinary. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker? In the paper yesterday, he looked like a man on the street. So Nishad and his sister Maya talk about Mr. Nath at home. And the first MCQ, Nishad could not believe Mr. Nath to be what? A crook. What? A crook. MCQ number 2, according to Nishad, an ordinary man cannot be a crook. Why? Because Nishad couldn't believe about Mr. Nath he was a crook. So according to Nishad, he was very ordinary man and he cannot be a crook. MCQ number 3, even the Hyderabadi housebreaker was what? An ordinary looking man. The Hyderabadi housebreaker was what? Ordinary looking man. Then next, see, the above statement shows 7 to be. Here given the paragraph. Which paragraph? I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friends. Who said? Nishad. So that above statement shows. What shows? That stubborn. What shows that? Stubborn. MCQ number 2, Nishad expressed his desire. Nishad expressed his desire to be friends with Mr. Nath. Talking with her sister. And he expressed his desire to be friends with Mr. Nath. MCQ number 3, after many warnings, Nishad still thinks Mr. Nath to be good. He is therefore a silent admirer. Because Mr. Nath didn't talk about Nishad. So after many warnings, Nishad still thinks Mr. Nath to be good. Mr. Nath already said that, given the warning to Nishad, don't come here and don't talk with me. But still Nishad thinks that he was a good man. Then next here, The MCQ. The expert detectives were. Who were the expert detectives? So in this chapter there are two main characters. Who? Maya and Nishad. Who? Maya and Nishad. They were detectives. Maya and Nishad, brother and sisters, were detectives. Number 2, Nishad and Maya got an unexpected holiday from school due to. So Nishad and Maya got unexpected holiday from school due to. There is a reason behind to given the holiday. What is the reason? Because of the heavy rain. At that time it's too much rain, heavy rain. That is why given holiday. Then see the third. Nishad finds out about Mr. Nath. What? What he finds about Mr. Nath? Third is the correct answer. Nishad finds out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh. Ramesh told about Mr. Nath to Nishad. Number 4. The problem between the two children could be resolved only by. Whose problem? On which children? The brother sister. Nishad and Maya. The problem between that two. So what was the problem? And who solved? About the Mr. Nath. That was the problem. Nishad said he was very good man and her sister said he was a crook. But that problem resolved by whom? By their mother. Resolved by their mother. Now number 5th. Nishad's impression about Mr. Nath was that he was very poor. He looks like very poor. Looking, see the beard upgraded. So he was looking very poor. Now MCQ number 6. The mother had told the children about the scars on the face of Mr. Nath. They were burn scars. What? Burn scars. He was burned. So the marks on his face was shown. So the burn scar. Then next, see the number 7. Mama's clinic was located at where? Girgaon. Number 3 is the answer. Then next, a bar of chocolate was given to. A bar of chocolate was given to. Given to whom? Given to Mr. Nath. Bar of chocolate was given to Mr. Nath. MCQ number 9. Nishad was disappointed when he met Mr. Nath because of didn't ask Nishad to come in. When Nishad and Mr. Nath both were face to face, Mr. Nath didn't respond to him and told him to come inside my house. So Nishad was very disappointed. Then MCQ number 10. Maya wrote the facts on the piece of paper because she thought it was the way of the detectives. She thought that. Who? Maya thought that it was the way of the detectives. So friends, this is the MCQ of this unit. Now comes to the question answer. See the first question answer, short answer type question. How did Mr. Nath look? What was Nishad's impression on seeing him? See, how did Mr. Nath look? Mr. Nath's face was scared, and he looked very thin. His face was very what? Scared. Scared marks there. And looked very thin. This made Nisad conclude that Mr. Nath could not be a monster. While saying Mr. Nath by the Nisad, his opinion about Mr. Nath that he was not a monster. He felt that Mr. Nath was too poor and could not afford to eat well. While seeing Mr. Nath, Nisad said that he was very poor and could not afford to get food from the market. Then next, number second. Why could Maya not agree with Nisad about Mr. Nath? Maya could not agree with Nisad. Why? She was somehow sure that who? Maya somehow sure that Mr. Nath was a crook. On the other hand, Nisad found no reason to believe that he was a crook. Okay, that is why Maya not agreed with Nisad. Maya thought that he was a crook, and Nisad didn't agree with Maya. Then number third, where did the money from Mr. Nath's food come according to Maya? So Maya knew that there was a trunk in Mr. Nath's room. She thought that he had lots of money hidden somewhere in it. So Mr. Nath bought the food. But where? And Maya believed that he had so much money in his house. Number 4. What had the mother told the children about Mr. Nath's scars? How did Maya interpret it? The mother had told the children that the marks on Mr. Nath's face were burn scars. He was burned and that marks was on his face. So at that time Maya interpreted that police must have burnt Mr. Nath's house to force him out. She thought that his incident had given Mr. Nath those scars. She did so because she took for granted that Mr. Nath was a crook. Okay. Then next. Number 5. What happened on Monday following Mama's birthday? On Mama's birthday, what happened? Then, on that Monday, Maya was spending the evening with school friends. Mama took 7 with her to her clinic at Girgaon. Then 7 saw Mr. Nath. Who saw? 7 saw Mr. Nath at that time, birthday time. Then number 6. What did Mr. Nath say when Nisad knocked at his door? What did Nisad do? On opening the door, Mr. Nath saw Nisad. He thought that he had come looking for his lost marble. He asked him if that was the case. Nisad took the man's hands into his own. Then he thrust a bar of chocolate into it. So friends, this is the short answer type question. Now comes to long answer type question. See, what information was Nisad able to get from the Ramesh? When meeting with Ramesh had given some information to Nisad. Which is the information or which are the information? See, Ramesh told Nisad about Mr. Nath's eating habits. What? Ramesh told everything about Mr. Nath. What had he eaten every day? He told Nisad that Mr. Nath took 2 meals, very morning and evening. Mr. Nath took 2 meals in the morning and evening. He also took 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So Ramesh said what? Said about the meals of Mr. Nath. In the morning he had taken and in the evening, and said the 2 cups of tea in the morning and afternoon. And Ramesh added that Mr. Nath was not very particular about what he ate. It was always the same food. It was always the same food he had eaten. What he bought? 2 chapatis, some dal, and a vegetable. Mr. Nath paid cash and tipped well. While buying the meals, he had paid cash and given tip to the sailor. Besides, he told Nisad that there was a man who visited Mr. Nath every Sunday. He took his lunch with Mr. Nath. He talked a lot while Mr. Nath mostly kept quiet. So, this is Ramesh told about Mr. Nath. Everything about Mr. Nath. I hope you enjoyed this revision. Thank you.